How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create map layout in QGIS. So the first thing that you want to do inside the OpenStreetMap right here, you can just navigate through the part where you want to add your map layout. So generally, to make this easier, let's navigate through the United States. And from here, let's now click on Project, click on the new print layout, and you could just name this to whatever you want to. Click on OK, and we are inside the project layout. Now to create the layout or the map layout, you could just click on Add Item, click Add Map, draw your map layout, and the map will automatically be imported onto our project layout, creating the map layout itself. So from here, you can customize a lot of things like adding some grids into your map and such. And so that's how easy it is to basically do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.